Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you what you could expect from the Holiday Inn at Santiago International Airport in Chile. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this was a stay at the Holiday Inn Santiago Airport. So if you're flying internationally, right when you come out of the arrivals, you'll see the Holiday Inn from a distance. Maybe a 10-minute walk, but easy to find. There's a look at just inside the lobby. Honestly, the lobby on the other side of this seating on the right, it's nothing really. You'll see a little bit of it there, nothing really to get too excited about. But this is the restaurant bar area. And you got, I guess, the business center out here. This is, I thought this was a new hotel, but maybe I never paid attention before. But yeah, I think this was actually built in 2007, renovated in 2013. So here's a look at the pool. I'll be reviewing the king room today, which you'll see in a moment. Got here really late, so I was connecting international to domestic. And here's a look at the gym. The gym's open 24 hours, so I'm gonna leave you with the king room review and catch you guys later. Okay, so here is the king bed room at the Holiday Inn Santiago Airport. So here you got some closet space in here. So this is a super basic room, but yeah, by far the most convenient hotel you'll have if you're staying overnight with a short-ish or longish layover. There you got the iron board, space to hang your clothes, bathroom, so shower, got shower gel, and what we have here, shampoo, conditioner, lotion and hand soap. So you have a hair dryer there. So pretty basic amenities. Got a nice long table with only one vanity. Like here you've got the safe, place to put your luggage down here. Nice king bed. And you got the wireless charging with the alarm clock. When will they get rid of those? TV and a chair here. You got a side table. So besides that wireless charger, I did notice doesn't seem to be a charging port next to the bed, which that kind of sucks. And you got a view out of the airport, but not really. So not a great view here. This is, I think, on the back end of the hotel. If you're on the front end, you'll be looking directly at Terminal 1 at Santiago Airport here in Chile. So that's all I do. Appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.